investments for retirement. Alam ko mukha po kayong mga bata, mga nasa mga mid-30s to 40s lang, kahit yung biological age natin malapit-lapit na sa retirement. So, ang gagawin po lang natin dyan ay, huwag po nating mamaliitin ng SSS. I've seen the pension products available in the market, and SSS still offers the best returns for the amount that we put in. Maliit lang po kasi yung pinalagay natin sa SSS, admittedly, kulang talaga siya. Pero yung returns niya ay malaki. For us, professionals who contribute the maximum and at least would have 5 years of retirement, 19% per annum po ang returns niya. So if we live longer, no, mas malaki yung kikitain natin. Yung mga nagtatrabaho po sa gobyerno ng mga doktor, I still suggest and recommend that you get SSS para dalawa ang inyong pension. Tapos dagdagan natin ng WISP and WISP Plus, which is still under SSS, Pag-ibig MP2, retail treasury bonds, and retail dollar bonds. Yung aking retirement formula is all in the safe side because our retirement fund, we cannot gamble it away. So puro yan 100% secured ng government.